Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Danielle's Creative Art. Today I'll be doing an unboxing of the June Archer and Olive subscription box, and I love the packaging. It's really cute. It says, "Desk Aesthetic. There are not too many things a new notebook or pad of paper cannot solve." And that is so true, because you know I love my notebooks. So let's get into it. And actually, I think I'm going to put the box off to the side. That way I can just take things out. Okay, here we go. Alright, first, here's the thing that tells you everything that comes in the box. So, let's zoom in a little bit more. Okay. So first, we'll start off with the journal case. And let me just zoom out a bit. Okay. I probably should have taken the plastic off first, but... I love the packaging. It's really cute. You can see. Ooh. It's really cool. It's like a Trapper Keeper vibe. So, vegan leather. It's got Archer and Olive on the back. Let's open it up. So we have places for some pens. Here you can put washi in here, and then you can put your notebook in here. In the back cover of the book goes inside. Perfect for on-the-go journaling. And next thing is some dual tip chisel and fine liner pens. Two ends. They're like, usually they do calligraphs, but this is new for Archer and Olive, and I think it'd be great if they do more things like this in the future. So you have eucalyptus, new gray, barely pink, green tea, and salted sea. So can I get this open? Sorry for the delay. I almost got it. I'm going to use scissors. Okay. And it also comes with labels, so you can label your pens. And let's take a look at one of the tips. So this looks like the fine point tip, and this is the chisel tip. Really cool. Those aside. This back in here. Okay, now next thing. Oops. Is this memo pad. I love the memo pads from Archer and Olive. They're really cool. They also released one like this back last year, and they did the vintage library box. Try not to rip the box. I'm not very good at opening boxes sometimes, so bear with me. Cute. It's got a little push pin on the front, and like graph on one side and line on the other. That's really cool. Love that. Pardon me. Excuse me for the interruption. Sorry about that. Okay. Now we have a sticker set. Again, sorry about the interruption. I love stickers. Kind of threw in this packaging too. So we have mood trackers, little clipboards, and then we also have a days of the week tracker. That's cool. January through December. And then next we have a, make sure it's all in frame. Okay, a B5 planning stencil. That looks really cool. This is the first time they've ever done a B5 size stencil. Sorry, the camera's shaking. There. And then I'll save the notebooks for last. Now we have some washi tape. I love washi tape. Ooh, really pretty. I love the pastel colors. So on this one we have, looks like very pretty pink with some stationery items and pencils and scissors, and looks like a ruler on there, really cute. Oops. And the next one, oh, that's adorable. It's like a ruler on the washi tape. Really cute with gold foil. And then we have some check boxes on this next one. Really cool. And then the last roll of washi is, looks like a time thing, like daily tracker thing. That's cool. There's the washi. Washi is my favorite stationery item. What's your favorite one? Oh, and of course pens. So washi tape and pens are my top two. And of course notebooks. So let's do the A5 notebook. Packaging is so cute. It always is with Archer and Olive. Again, with the packaging, it's adorable. I love the graph paper on this box. And here comes the reveal. Oh my gosh, it's even prettier in person. I love this composition style notebook. I hope Archer and Olive does more of these. This is really awesome. Beautiful spine. It feels really smooth. And this one is 192 pages in this book. So let's take a look inside. Gorgeous. Gold paper clips. This book belongs to. You have your 160 GSM paper with the traditional bookmark. Really pretty. I think I'm going to use it as a book to plan my very first art show. I'm really excited about it. Shout out to William McMahon, who's my art teacher and one of my best friends, and he's the best. So, and I'll be also sharing some art journal collaborations and other art journal spreads I've done really soon. I'm about to finish up the B5 Blackout Archer and Olive art journal, so I'll try to do a video of that really soon. Okay. So the last thing is the B5 notebook. Put it more in frame. There we go. Okay. Sorry for the camera shaking. I should have put it up a bit higher, but again, with the packaging, it's really cute. Okay. Here comes the reveal. Oh my goodness. Wow. Really cool spine on that, like a ruler. It's got a ruler on this side. I love the texture of this book. It's really cool. And this one is 112 pages, dot grid notebook. Ooh, look at that ombre stationery items. Cool. Ooh, I love the color of the bookmark too. Really cool. And there's a back pocket. And actually, I'm going to test out the A5 notebook and put it inside of the Trapper Keeper journal cover thing. Oops. So the back goes inside there. I mean, inside this pocket right here. Oops. Cool. That's awesome for on the go. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video of the June subscription box, and it's available now on their website. If you're not a subscriber, you can join now, and they still have some available, and you can use my code DanielleFL10 at checkout for other items besides the box. I'm affiliated with Archer and Olive, and one of my linking code is used on a small commission. So thank you all for watching, and please like and subscribe. Bye.